I think it's very important to know that Lancome Systems delivers products for the secure networking. And for us, secured networking means the wireless WAN side and the wireless LAN side. So it's either LTE connectivity or Wi-Fi connectivity, indoor, industrial, outdoor.
From a research and development agency, for us the new technologies are the most exciting ones. So we're looking for narrowband IoT, Cat-M, LTE-M, LoRa technologies that actually use really low power, that makes our devices really, really small, and we can place them everywhere and be still connected to the internet every day of the week.
We have been discussing today in our expert round about this topic, and one of the basic findings which we all could support is that the technology means to make wireless connectivity safe are there. The problem, or let's say the issue, is rather in following and utilizing these technology capabilities. And we also found out, or I think it's been confirmed by everybody, that this mobile network environment, with its long-running history of 6 billion connections, meanwhile safe and secure, with a user utilizing the SIM card mechanism, is a good example for one domain to answer this question.
Yes, for sure. The next big thing I think is wireless in the wireless industry is serving the enterprise and the industry market, the production and logistic market. I think there will be a big demand for reliable networks to help in the automation. Industry 4.0 is one big topic, and to help also in the logistic processes. Therefore, they need a reliable, low latency infrastructure, a wireless infrastructure, to stay competitive in the next couple of years.
In networking, we mainly focus on the home area networking. What we see is while combining different wireless standards, we're gaining more and more products that is capable of connecting to the same gateway. It means that we suddenly has interaction between alarm systems, light system, heat control, etc. So whenever I switch on or lock my door lock, the door lock tells the gateway I'm leaving. It will shut off the light, turn down the heat, and make sure the windows and everything is closed. So we see a more optimized way of living based on the wireless technologies.